What is the 14-day rule after a car accident? Now, here at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas, I have clients who are involved in car accidents who constantly ask me or refer to the 14-day rule. And what I've observed over the years is that there's a lot of misunderstanding and misinformation out there as to exactly what this 14-day rule means and the effect of it, really, quite frankly. So, the way it works in Florida is if you're involved in a car accident, every single person who is on the roads is supposed to be covered by PIP, and that's no-fault insurance. So that's your own car insurance. If you live with a resident relative, you can qualify under their policy. But the 14-day rule specifically applies to this PIP insurance. And it doesn't matter if you've caused the accident, if you're at fault for the accident, or if you're not at fault for the accident. This PIP insurance is out there, and it is supposed to protect you in the event that you are in a car accident and you are injured. And don't worry, it doesn't raise your car accident or your car insurance rates, so don't worry about that. But PIP insurance, again, it's set to pay those medical bills. So most people think, all right, well, I've been involved in a car accident. I have 14 days to go out and get treatment. And then I can make a claim against the at-fault driver and I can put money in my pocket because of this 14-day rule. But what they don't understand is that 14-day rule only applies to the PIP insurance. So, although they can go in and see a doctor within the 14 days and have to get medical treatment and referred out for what's called an emergency medical condition or an EMC evaluation with either an MD or a DO within that 14 days, then they qualify for the full $10,000 worth of PIP benefits. Likewise, if they go in and they get medical treatment and they do not have an emergency medical condition, they're only limited to $2,500 in those PIP benefits. But that's the 14-day rule. It does not affect your injury claim if you have been injured by another person and you want to make a claim against their insurance company. Because a lot of our clients, as I mentioned earlier, they believe all they have to do is get in to see a doctor within the 14 days because they've heard about 14 days on TV ads, on the radio, and a lot of chiropractic organizations. That's part of their advertising. And again, so that's for the PIP insurance, so they can bill the PIP. But it doesn't help your injury claim. It doesn't put any money in your pocket. So if you were to, for example, you wait 14 days to go. You've been in a car accident. You've been injured. You're sore. You decide, okay, I need to get checked out, and you wait days, a week, or even up to 14 days. What's going to happen when you make that claim to the other insurance company at the end of the day? They're going to look at that and say, you waited 2 weeks, or you waited a week or 10 days before you went in to see somebody. Either you're not badly injured, or you got injured due to some other incident that occurred in that time frame. So beware. The 14-day rule only applies to unlocking that PIP insurance. It does not apply, it has nothing to do with the value of your bodily injury claim. And so, as to the value, specifically as to the value of that personal injury claim, you do not want to wait even a day to go in and get coverage or to go in and get treatment. Because, again, don't give the insurance company for the other side the opportunity to say you're not that badly injured. So if you're in a car accident, get out to see somebody, whether it's go to the hospital or an urgent care or even a chiropractor or whomever, get in there ASAP. Don't have a gap in time. And then you have successfully defeated any argument that the insurance company can make that you were not that badly injured. So I hope this is helpful in explaining the 14-day rule and also how a delay in treatment will affect your car accident injury claim at the end of the day. If you have any questions about how this procedure works or the statute or any issues about a car accident injury claim, please contact us at the office.